Hello, students. Do you have a notebook, a pencil, and 3 small stones or counters?
Yes!
Excellent. Now we are ready to begin. Remember, our activities are sentence warm-up, sound workout, brilliant blending, word reading, story time. Let's have a great class together. Today, our practice sentence is: some families have many relatives. You will listen while I say the sentence, then I will tell you when it is your turn to say it. Listen first. Some families have many relatives. Your turn.
Some families have many relatives.
Wonderful. Now we are going to count the words. You will listen while I count the words. Then I will tell you when it is your turn to try. Ready? Some families have many relatives. 5 words. Your turn.
Some families have many relatives.
How many words?
5 words.
Excellent. So we know our sentence has 5 words. When I hear the sentence, some families have many relatives, I think of pretending to be playing with my cousins. A relative is a person that is part of your family. I want you to think about how you will do a drama for the sentence. Some families have many relatives. Will you pretend to sing with your relatives? Will you pretend to eat food with your relatives? Or will you pretend to go to the market with your relatives? I hope you have your drama idea ready. Now I will say the sentence and you will do your drama. Ready? Some families have many relatives. Wow! The students here with me did a wonderful drama. I wish I could see your beautiful drama at home too. I am sure you did a great job. Now, I will ask you questions and you will answer by standing up or sitting down. If the answer is yes, stand up. If the answer is no, sit down. Ready? Listen. Do some families have many girl relatives? Do some families have many boy relatives? Do some families have many young relatives? Do some families have many old relatives? Wonderful job answering those questions. Now we will clap the syllables in our sentence. You will listen while I clap the syllables. Then I will tell you when it is your turn to try. Listen. Some families have many relatives. Your turn.
Some families have many relatives.
Now, let's say the word relatives. You will listen while I clap the syllables. Then I will tell you when it is your turn to try. Ready? Listen. Relatives. Your turn.
Relatives.
How many syllables in relatives?
3 syllables.
Yes, there are 3 syllables. Relatives is one word with 3 syllables. The root word of relatives is relative. Excellent job in our sentence warm-up. Today in sound workout, we will practice 4 key words. Remember, keyword means it is
the important word for today.
There is something that will be different about the keywords that we learn today. For the first time, we will have 2 letters that only make 1 sound. That is new for us. Before this lesson, we have only learned about sounds that are made by 1 letter. For example, the sound is made by the letter M. Now we will learn about 1 sound that is made by 2 letters together. The first key word is shell. Close your eyes and imagine a shell.
I imagine a shell with a snail inside.
Shell starts with the letters S, H, and together they make 1 sound, sh. So listen. Sh, sh, sh. Shell. Your turn.
Shh, 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 shell.
The next key word is throw. Close your eyes and imagine throwing something.
I imagine throwing a ball in the air.
Throw starts with the letters T, H, and together they make 1 sound. Th. Listen. Th, th, th. Throw. Your turn.
Throw.
The next key word is chair. Look around. Can you see a chair near you? What is it made of?
I see a chair made of wood near me.
Chair starts with the letters C, H, and together they make 1 sound, ch. Listen. Ch, ch, ch. Chair. Your turn.
Ch, 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 chair.
The next key word is quiz. Close your eyes and imagine a quiz.
I imagine a quizzing competition happening at my school.
Quiz starts with the letters Q, U, and together they make the Q sound. Ready? Listen. Q, Q, Q. Quiz. Your turn.
Quiz.
So, those are our 4 key words. Shell, throw, chair, quiz. Now, I will say a new word together with our keywords. I will say it 2 times. The first time, just listen. The second time, when you hear the 2 words with the same sound, I want you to stand up. Number 1 is quick. Quick, shell, quick, through, quick, chair, quick, quiz. Stand up when you hear the same sound. Quick, shell, quick, through, quick, chair, quick, quiz. The correct answer is
quick quiz.
They both have the q sound at the beginning. Number 2 is chase. Listen. Chase, shell, chase, through, chase, chair, chase, quiz. Stand up when you hear the same sound. Chase, shell, chase, through, chase, chair, chase, quiz. The correct answer is
Chase, chair.
They both have the ch sound at the beginning. Number 3 is she. Just listen first. She, shell, she, throw, she, chair, she, quiz. Now stand up when you hear the same sound. She, shell, she, throw, she, chair, she, quiz. The correct answer is
She, shell.
They both have the sh sound at the beginning. Number 4 is think. Just listen. Think, shell, think, throw, think, chair, think, quiz. Now stand up when you hear the same sound. Think, shell, think, throw, think, chair, think, quiz. The correct answer is
Think, throw.
They both have the th sound at the beginning. Now I will only say the words 1 time. Listen carefully and stand up when you hear the same sound at the beginning of the word. Number 5 is quiet. Quiet, shell, quiet, through, quiet, chair, quiet, quiz. The correct answer is
Quiet, quiz.
They both have the quick sound at the beginning. Number 6 is shape. Shape, shell, shape, throw, shape, chair, shape, quiz. The correct answer is
Shape, shell.
They both have the sh sound at the beginning. Okay, everyone, great job. That is the end of sound workout. And now it is time for brilliant blending. Open your books to the first page with the 3 boxes. Now we will do a blending activity. Put your stones on the top of the boxes. When I say a sound, we will move 1 stone into each box. Ready? Let's try. The first sound is sh. Move your first stone down into the first box. The next sound is I. Move the next stone down into the middle box. The next sound is P. Move the last stone down into the last box. Now sweep your finger underneath to blend the sounds together. Ship. Okay, put your stones back up. Now just listen. Sh, I, P, ship. Your turn to move the stones and blend.
Sh, I, P, ship.
Wonderful. Let's try it with some different sounds. Number 2. First you listen. I, N, thin. Your turn.
I, thin.
Number 3. Ch, a, t, chat. Your turn.
Ch, a, t, chat.
Number 4. Listen. Qu, I, z, quiz. Your turn.
I, z, quiz.
Number 5. G, thug. Your turn.
G, thug.
And number 6. Sh, a, sham. Now your turn to move and blend.
Sh, a, sham.
Well done. That is our brilliant blending. Story time. Today we will read a story called The Red Raincoat. Before we start the story, let's think about the title of the book. The Red Raincoat. What things around us are red?
A tomato is red and a hat is red.
What is a raincoat and why do we use them?
A raincoat is a jacket that protects you from getting wet if it is raining. Can you remember the title of the story?
The Red Raincoat. Does the title give us any clues about what the story might be about?
The story might be about a raincoat with a red color.
I have some clues that might help you guess what the story will be about. The boy has a new raincoat. He can't wait to wear it. But the rain makes him wait and wait and wait. I can't wait to find out what happens in the story. But before we listen to the story, let's make sure we get our body ready to listen. Make sure your body is calm. Your ears are listening, your eyes are closed, and your brain is thinking. On Sunday, the young boy's parents got him a red raincoat. "May I wear it now?" said the boy. "No, my dear. The rains are near, but the sky is clear," said mother. Monday was bright and sunny. "Will it rain today, mother?" asked the boy. "No, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look quite funny, said Mother. On Tuesday, the sky was blue. Mother, when will my wish come true? Asked the boy. Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky, said Mother. Wednesday was hot. Mother, why doesn't it rain? Said the boy. Son, I think it will rain very soon. Maybe even before it is noon, said Mother. On Thursday, the boy went on a picnic. Mother, what if it rains? Shall I bring my raincoat? Asked the boy. No, my dear, it will not rain today. The little white clouds are too high in the sky, said Mother. Friday was cloudy. Mother, will it rain today? Said the boy loudly. It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky, said Mother. Saturday began with a bang. Bada-boom. Mother, is that thunder I hear? Will it rain very soon? Asked the boy. Then at last it started raining. Oh, it's raining! It's raining! Sang the boy, running out in the rain. My boy, said Mother, running after him, you forgot your raincoat. The end. What did you think about the story? I want you to think about what happened at the beginning, middle, and end of the story. I will tell you a part of the story and you will tell me whether it happened at the beginning, the middle, or the end. The boy ran out in the rain. When did that happen?
At the end of the story.
Yes, the boy did run outside in the rain at the end of the story. The boy's parents bought him a red raincoat. When did that happen?
At the beginning of the story.
Yes, the boy's parents bought him a red raincoat at the beginning of the story. The boy went for a picnic and wanted to wear his raincoat. When did that happen?
In the middle of the story.
Yes, the boy went for a picnic in the middle of the story. So, in the story, first, the boy was given a new red raincoat. Then, he went on a picnic and wanted to wear it. At the end, it rained and the boy didn't even wear his new red raincoat. For your homework, I want you to draw a picture of the beginning, middle, and end of the story. Then, show the picture to someone in your family and tell them about the story. That is the end of our class for today, and I'm so happy you were here with me. Thank you. Remember, we practiced the sentence, some families have many relatives. We reviewed the beginning sounds of our keywords, shell, throw, chair, and quiz. Then we blended our sounds together with our blending boxes and read our words. We practiced the sounds sh, ch, and k. These are special sounds. We need 2 letters to make these sounds. And last, we read the story, The Red Raincoat. In our next lesson, we will practice a new sentence and new keywords. We will read the story. Thank you for joining us today, boys and girls.